club members and club board members and officers. May I now call to stand up the previous outgoing directors and officers. Lahat po ng outgoing na director and officer pwede pong tumayo ng Kiwanis Club of Tanay. Please, dito po sa harapan. Board of Directors. Una-una po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat ng Board of Directors sa inyong suporta na ipinagkaloob sa Team 1 Kiwanis. Hindi po, kayo po ay you are credited. Dapat po kayo ay pasalamatan ng buong distrito. Nagpapasalamat din po ako na nandiyan ang ating Division Secretary na ngayon ay Lieutenant Governor-elect sa tulong na ipinagkaloob niya during my administrative year. Hindi niyo po ba alam? Palakpakan po natin sila sa mga project at kanilang ginawa. Third po ng ating President. Maraming po sa natin. Ngayon po, tatawagan ko po ang bumubuo ng Board of Directors, Past President Pimitan Mudo. Dito muna po kayo. Balik. Board of Directors, Yumil Buban. And Board of Directors, Dory Sulan. The Board of Directors of the club is composed of the elected directors and officers. The Board of Directors handles most of the business of the club. An important responsibility. You will set a strategic direction, implement club policies, approve the club's budget, support committee activities, and oversee the administrative tasks of the club. I know you will accept these responsibilities with a desire to see that this club has the best year ever. Thank you for stepping up to play this important role. It's my pleasure to formally install each of you as a director of this club. May I call now the Secretary of the club, Ms. Iwanyanel Iwan.
Mabilis mo. Alam niyo, maikutan lang rin sa...
Talaga pag maliit po yung club, ikitrimay ko naman kami. Kami talaga. Basta buhay ang club, diba?
Okay. In Kiwanis, the club secretary is the master of duties. Your role in handling club affairs, the meetings of the club, and board meetings, reports, correspondences, and records is essential for the club to run smoothly. Thank you for taking on this important role. I formally install you as Secretary of the Club. Congratulations. I call now Treasurer Grace Guman.
Today lang po yan.
As Treasurer, you have been elected to an office that demands absolute integrity and financial and accounting skills. It is your role to deposit and disperse the fund of the club upon the direction of the Board of Directors. You also report on the club's finances at its board meeting. Thank you for stepping up into the significant role. I formally install you as Treasurer of this club. Miss, you are the President-elect. You have been selected to lead your club during the following year. As you serve on the board this year, take advantage of opportunities to learn about the President's role, build relationship, and plan for your year as President. Thank you for your leadership and dedication. I hereby formally install you as President-elect of this club. May I call immediate past President Benito Tavino? Your club benefits from the immediate past President, continuing for one more year as a member of the Board of Directors.
Your experience as club president this past year will empower you to be essential mentor and colleague for your successor and a valued advisor on the business of the club. It's my pleasure to present to you your past president's team, and by so doing, to charge you with sharing your wisdom and lending a hand as you remain a member of the board for one more year. Congratulations to you and your excellent work and dedicated service this past year. We thank you for your continued dedication to your club. Marami na raw ang team.
Ano sa bigat na dito sa screen?
Berna daw. Tita Grace. Bukas ng konti, Tita Grace.
Now may I call